Good morning. Welcome to MBDS Gurukul channel. How are you? I hope you and all of your family member will be healthy and happy. One request to you that please subscribe this channel and also share this video. Today we solve the rest question of this lesson, but first let me solve the question that gave you for practice. Okay, first question of practice: express the ratios cos A, tan A and sec A in the term of sin A. Okay, solution 1. Because sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1, therefore cos square A is equal to 1 minus sin square A. Hence implies cos A is equal to root under 1 minus sin square A. Okay, again because tan A is equal to sin A by cos A is equal to sin A by cos A is equal to root under 1 minus sin square. Okay, this is also in the term of sin A, this is also is in term of sin A, therefore tan A is equal to sin A by root under 1 minus sin square A. Again because cos A into sec A is equal to 1, therefore sec A is equal to 1 by cos A is equal to 1 by cos A is equal to root under 1 minus sin square A. Okay, hence cos A is equal to root under 1 minus sin square A, tan A is equal to sin A by root under 1 minus sin square A, sec A is equal to 1 by root under 1 minus sin square A. Answer. Okay, the next solution 2. Prove that sec A into 1 minus sin A into sec A plus tan A is equal to 1. Okay, 2 1. LHS is equal to sec A into 1 minus sin A into sec A plus tan A is equal to, now sec A is equal to 1 by cos A, 1 minus sin A, sec A is equal to 1 by cos A plus sin A by cos A. Okay, is equal to 1 by cos A into 1 minus sin A into cos A common 1 plus LCM is equal to cos A, so cos A is LCM, then 1 plus sin A. Okay, not cos A common, getting LCM. Now a minus b into a plus b. According to the algebraic formula, a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. So according to the formula, we write one by cos a into 1 square minus sin square a by cos a is equal to 1 minus sin square a by cos a into cos a, cos square a is equal to 1 minus sin square a is equal to cos square a by cos square a. Cos square a by cos square a cancel, is equal to 1, is equal to RHS proved. The next question number 2. Cot a minus cos a by cot a plus cos a is equal to cosec a minus 1 by cosec a plus 1. Okay, LHS. Cot a minus cos a by cot a plus cos a is equal to cot a, then cot a so I write cos a by sin a minus cos a. Okay, again cos a by sin a minus a plus cos a. Okay, now cos a and cos a common. Okay, so cos a 1 minus sin a minus 1. Okay, by cos a common 1 by sin a plus 1. Cos a cancel, cos a cancel, is equal to 1 by sin a cosec a minus 1 by 1 by sin a cosec a plus 1. Okay, is equal to RHS proved. To question number 3 of question number 2. Okay, question number 3. Sin theta minus cos theta plus 1 by sin theta plus cos theta minus 1 is equal to 1 by sec theta minus tan theta. LHS is equal to sin theta minus cos theta plus 1 by sin theta plus cos theta minus 1. Sin theta minus cos theta plus 1 by sin theta plus cos theta minus 1. Okay, if we divide cos theta in numerator and also cos theta in denominator, okay, then sin theta by cos theta minus cos theta by cos theta plus 1 by cos theta by sin theta by cos theta plus cos theta by cos theta minus 1 by cos theta, dividing dividing numerator and denominator, and denominator by cos theta. So sin theta by cos theta tan theta, cos theta by cos theta cancel, only 1, cos theta into divided by cos theta, so getting 1 by cos theta sec theta by sin theta by cos theta tan theta plus 1 minus sec theta. Okay, rearrange. Then tan theta plus sec theta minus 1 by tan theta minus sec theta plus 1. Okay, now if tan theta, again we multiply, if we multiply tan theta minus sec theta, okay, tan theta minus sec theta by tan theta minus sec theta is equal to tan theta plus sec theta. We multiply tan theta minus sec theta in tan theta plus sec theta, then a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square, and we multiply from 1, then we get tan theta minus sec theta by tan theta minus sec theta plus 1 into tan theta minus sec theta. Now if we common minus 1, then minus sec square theta is plus and tan square theta is minus. Okay, minus tan theta minus sec theta by tan theta minus sec theta plus 1 into tan theta minus sec theta. Sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1, so minus 1 into 1 minus multiply minus into minus tan theta and minus minus plus sec theta by, again we common from this minus 1. Okay, then minus tan theta plus sec theta minus 1 into tan theta minus sec theta is equal to minus 1 minus tan theta plus sec theta by minus 1 multiply in tan theta minus sec theta. Okay, then this is change. Okay, and this is we arrange, then minus 1 minus tan theta plus sec theta, and this is we multiply minus 1 in tan theta minus sec theta, then we get sec theta in the plus and tan theta in minus. So this is cancel. Okay, in one time is equal to 1 by sec theta minus tan theta is equal to RHS proved. Okay, the rest question of this exercise. Exercise 8.4, the rest question of 5, 3. Okay, 5.3 is tan theta by 1 minus cot theta plus cot theta by 1 minus tan theta is equal to 1 plus sec theta into cosec theta. Solution: LHS is equal to tan theta by 1 minus cot theta plus cot theta by 1 minus tan theta. From this we get sec theta into cosec theta. Okay, so we change cot theta, then we get tan theta by 1 minus cot theta is equal to 1 by tan theta plus cot theta is equal to 1 by tan theta by 1 minus tan theta is equal to tan theta by LCM is tan theta, then tan theta minus 1 plus 1 by tan theta go in denominator. Okay, so tan theta into I am common minus 1, I common minus 1, so minus 1 into change the tan theta in value plus and 1 is minus. Is equal to tan theta go in numerator, then tan theta into tan theta by tan theta minus 1 plus minus minus 1 by tan theta into tan theta minus 1. Okay, the LCM is tan theta into tan theta minus 1. Okay, so tan theta in tan theta and again we multiply in tan theta, then we get tan to the power 3 theta minus 1. Okay, from AQ minus BQ, on the formula AQ minus BQ is equal to, we also write in 1 in the 1 to the power 3. Okay, so according to the formula AQ minus BQ is equal to A minus B into A square plus AB plus B square. Okay, by tan theta into tan theta minus 1. Tan theta minus 1 and tan theta minus 1 cancel, so tan square theta plus tan theta plus 1 by tan theta. Now I am divide, then tan square theta by tan theta plus tan theta by tan theta plus 1 by tan theta. We divide tan theta in all term. Okay, then tan square theta we divide tan theta, then we get tan theta only. Okay, tan theta by tan theta is equal to 1 and 1 by tan theta is equal to cot theta. Okay, is equal to tan theta is equal to sin theta by cos theta plus 1 by 1 plus cot theta is equal to cos theta by sin theta. LCM cos theta into sin theta. Okay, if you divide cos theta in cos theta into sin, then we get sin theta into sin theta sin square theta plus, you divide cos theta into sin theta by 1, then we get cos theta into sin theta plus sin theta cos theta and sin divided by sin theta, then we get cos theta into cos theta cos square theta. Sin square theta and cos square theta is equal to 1 plus cos theta into sin theta by cos theta into sin theta is equal to 1 by cos theta into sin theta plus cos theta into sin theta by cos theta into sin theta is equal to 1 by cos theta sec theta, 1 by sin theta cosec theta plus cos theta into sin theta by cos theta is equal into sin theta is equal to 1 is equal to, if I am arranging them, then we get 1 plus sec theta into cosec theta is equal to RHS proved. The next question number 3 of 5, sorry, question number 4. Okay, 3 is this. Okay, question number 1 plus sec a by sec a is equal to sin square a by 1 minus cos a. Okay, LHS is equal to 1 plus sec a by sec a. We change 1 plus sec a is equal to 1 by cos a by sec a is equal to 1 by cos a is equal to LCM cos a, then cos a plus 1 by 1 by cos a. Cos a cancel, so we only get cos a plus 1. Okay, now I multiply 1 we rearrange it, 1 plus cos a. Now I am multiplying 1 minus cos a by 1 minus cos a. Okay, so 1 plus cos a into 1 minus cos a is equal to 1 square minus cos square a square minus b square by 1 minus cos a. Okay, is equal to 1 minus cos square a by 1 minus cos a is equal to 1 minus cos square theta is equal to sin, so 1 minus cos square a is equal to sin square a by 1 minus cos a is equal to RHS proved. Next, question number 5. 5 cos a minus sin a plus 1 by cos a plus sin a minus 1 is equal to cosec a plus cot a. Using the identity cosec square a is equal to 1 plus cot square a. Now first we convert in cot, because here is the relation cot and cosec. So if we divided by sin a, the cos a by sin a is equal to cot a, so and also 1 by sin a is equal to cos a, so we divide in LHS numerator and divided by sin a. Now first LHS is equal to cos a minus sin a plus 1a by cos a plus sin a minus 1. Cos a minus sin a plus 1 by cos a plus sin a minus 1. Now I am dividing numerator and denominator by sin a. Okay, cos a by sin a minus sin a by sin a plus 1 by sin a by cos a by sin a plus sin a by sin a minus 1 by sin a. Dividing the numerator and denominator by sin a is equal to cos a by sin a, cot a, sin a by sin a 1 plus sin a cosec a by cos a by sin a cot a plus 1 by sin a plus cosec a and 1 by sin minus 1 by sin a cosec a is equal to cot a minus, we write also -1 is equal to cosec square a minus cot square a plus cosec a. Same cot a plus for 1 cosec square a minus cot square a plus minus cosec a. We arrange, then we get cos a plus cosec a. Cot a plus cosec a minus cos square a cosec square a minus cot square a by cot a minus cosec a plus cosec square a minus cot square a. No, we only change in change one for nominator. Okay, now again we write same things. We also common cosec a plus cot a, then we get 1 minus a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. So plus is common, then we get only minus. So we write minus cosec a minus cot a by cot a minus cosec a, and the value of cosec square a minus cot square a equal to same 1. Okay, is equal to cosec a plus cot a into 1 minus cosec a minus minus plus cot a. Now arrange, then we get 1 minus cosec a plus cot a. This is the same, so cancel, then we get cosec a plus cot a is equal to RHS proved. The next 6 number, root under 1 plus sin a by 1 minus sin a is equal to sec a plus tan a. Solution, LHS is equal to root under 1 plus sin a by 1 minus sin a is equal to root under. You multiply under root the opposite of 1 minus sin a in numerator and also denominator. 1 plus sin a by 1 minus sin a, multiply opposite, it means the 1 plus sin a in numerator and also 1 plus sin a in denominator. Okay, then 1 plus sin a into 1 plus sin a is equal to 1 plus sin a the whole square under root. 1 minus sin a into 1 plus sin a is equal to 1 minus sin a square, because 1 a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. So 1 plus sin a the whole square by 1 minus sin a square a is equal to cos square a is equal to the square root under 1 minus sin a square a the whole square is equal to 1 plus sin a by cos square a, the root under cos square a is equal to cos a is equal to 1 by cos a. Now I am dividing in the both term by cos a. 1 by cos a plus sin a by cos a is equal to sec a plus sin a by cos a tan a is equal to RHS proved. The next question number 7. Question number 7, sin theta minus 2 sin q theta by 2 cos q theta minus cos theta is equal to tan theta. LHS. Solution, LHS is equal to sin theta minus 2 sin q theta by 2 cos q theta minus cos theta is equal to, in numerator sin theta is common, then we get 1 minus 2 sin square theta by, in denominator cos theta is common, then we get 2 cos square theta minus 1 is equal to sin theta by cos theta 1 minus 2 and sin square theta is equal to also 1 minus cos square theta, okay, by 2 cos square theta minus 1. Is equal to sin theta into 1 minus 2 minus means plus 2 cos square theta by cos theta into 2 cos square theta minus 1, okay, 2 cos sin theta into 2 cos square theta rearrange, then we get 2 cos square theta, 2 minus 1 is equal to minus 2 plus 1 is equal to minus 1 by cos theta into 2 cos square theta minus 1, 2 cos square theta minus 1 by 2 cos square theta minus 1 cancel, then we get sin theta by cos theta. So sin theta by cos theta is equal to tan theta is equal to RHS proved. The next 8, sin a plus cosec a the whole square plus cos a plus sin sec a the whole square is equal to 7 plus tan square a plus cot square a, okay, LHS. Solution: LHS is equal to sin a plus cosec a the whole square plus cos a plus sec a the whole square is equal to a plus b the whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab, okay. So according to the formula we write sin square a plus cosec square a plus 2 sin a into cosec a plus in this cos square a plus sec square a plus 2 cos a into sec a. Sin square a plus cos square a is equal to 1, cosec square a is equal to 1 plus cot square a, 2 into sin a into cosec a is equal to 1, sec a square a is equal to 1 plus tan square a, 2 into cos a into sec a is equal to 1 is equal to 1 1 2 2 1 2 2 2 4 5 6 7 7 plus tan square a plus cot square a is equal to RHS proved. The next question, question number 9. Question 9, cosec a minus sin a into sec a minus cos a is equal to 1 by tan a plus cot a. Now solution: LHS is equal to cosec a minus sin a into sec a minus cos a. Now we write cosec a is equal to 1 by sin a minus sin a, 1 by sec a is equal to cos a, sec a is equal to 1 by cos a minus cos a, okay. LCM is equal to sin a, So 1 minus sin square a, and LCM of this cos a, then 1 minus cos square a is equal to 1 minus sin square a is equal to cos square a by sin a into 1 minus cos square a is equal to sin square a by cos a is equal to cos square a divided by cos a, then we get cos a. Sin square a divided by sin a, then we get sin a. Equation 1. Okay. Now RHS is equal to 1 by tan a plus cot a is equal to 1 by tan a is equal to sin a by cos a plus cot a is equal to cos a by sin a is equal to 1 by LCM is equal to cos a into sin a. So cos a cancel, then we get sin a into sin a, sin square a plus sim cos square a. Okay, is equal to 1 by sin square a plus cos square a is equal to 1 by cos a into sin a is equal to 1 into cos a into sin a by 1 is equal to cos a into sin a. Equation number 2. According to the equation 1 and equation 2, the both are equal, so LHS is equal to RHS proved. The next question number 10. 1 plus tan square a by 1 plus cot square a is equal to 1 minus tan a by 1 minus cot a the whole square is equal to tan square a. So we also find part by part. Okay, solution. 1 plus tan square a by 1 plus cot square a is equal to 1 plus tan square a by 1 plus cot square a. Cot a is equal to 1 by tan a, so cot square a is equal to 1 by tan square a is equal to 1 plus tan square a by 1 tan square a LCM, then tan square a minus 1 is equal to tan square a plus 1 is equal to 1 plus tan square a by, now rearrange, 1 plus tan square a by tan square a. So is equal to tan square a into 1 plus tan square a by 1 plus tan square a. Okay, tan square a into 1 plus tan by 1 plus tan. 1 plus tan square a by 1 plus tan square cancel, then we will get tan square a. Equation 1. Again, now we write this part. Okay, 1 minus tan a by 1 plus cot a the whole square. 1 minus tan a by 1 minus cot a the whole square is equal to 1 minus tan a by 1 minus 1 by tan a the whole square is equal to 1 minus tan a by LCM tan a, then tan a minus 1, okay, the whole square is equal to 1 minus tan a into tan a by minus 1 is common, then we get 1 in plus and tan a in minus the whole square. 1 minus tan a and 1 minus tan a cancel, then we get tan a by minus 1 the whole square is equal to tan square a by 1 minus 1 the whole square, 1 is equal to tan square a. Equation 2. Okay, from 1 equation 1 and 2, we get 1 plus tan square a by 1 plus cot square a is equal to 1 minus tan a by 1 minus cot a the whole square is equal to tan square a. Proved. Now relation is complete. Now we meet in next video with the next new chapter. Okay, so that's all. Thank you. Good night.